I got Cronus Zen and the customer said is not turned on or connected. Before I start to fix it, if this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games and computer. So don't forget to give me like and subscribe or follow. First, I will try to connect it to the USB cable and see if they have any light. And as you can see, they have nothing. They have 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I already opened them and let's see. Just be careful. They have some connector here, so be careful. I will try to remove this silicone to take this connector out. As you can see now, it's better than before. And it's disconnected right now. Let's take the board and check it on the microscope. On the microscope, it looks like the USB port have some damage. So I think something like that is easy to fix. So let's do it. Alright, this is the old USB port and let's try to find one. I have a lot of USB port, but let's see which one is look like same. I find this one and I think this one is look like the old one. Let's clean it. And as you can see guys, this USB port is look like same. So let's check. And as you can see, I already soldered the pad or the pin for the USB port and should be good. Everything look like perfect. So let's return all the parts back and test. It look like good. So now it's time to test. And yes, it's fixed. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.